My name is Jeremy Gillam, and I am the Speaker of the Arkansas House of Representatives. And I had the privilege and pleasure of getting to meet the amazing team that makes up the Rocky Balboabots, and am just extremely impressed with not only the physical accomplishment of the actual robot, but I think what was most impressive and was inspiring from my point of view was the students themselves and the growth that they've seen, not only individually in their skill sets and their experiences, but also as a collaborative team, and what they've been able to accomplish, the diversity not only of the team but of the skill sets that are required to be able to win the excellence awards and engineering inspiration, and to be able to compete at the level that they're being able to compete at shows a tremendous growth and maturity of students that I think is fantastic to be able to see. And I think that more folks in not only just in policy making, but I think that more people in the state needs to see this, because I think it's going to remind them that we do have a bright future ahead of us, that these students who are going to take over these leadership roles in our communities and in our state are going to be able to do great things. And I think this is just a pathway and an avenue for them to be able to show what they have to offer the world. And I, for one, was completely blown away by what I've been able to see from these students. And I am extremely impressed with the structure and the system that they have at their school, with the mentors, with their coaches, but the dedication and the commitment and the drive that you see in those students is not something that can be manufactured. That's something that they have within them, and I think that they're going to be able to go really far, not only in these competitions, but I think as they move on from this program into the world, I think they're going to be able to make some tremendous impacts in a very positive way, hopefully across the entire world. I think a prime example of the impact that these students are even making right now, as far as our state is concerned, goes back a couple of years when the students were able to come down and visit with the governor about the ability to be able to be a part of the Every Student Succeeds Act, and be able to bring in the funding that is associated with that into Arkansas, and it made an impact. I mean, we now are a part of that, and I think that there's a direct correlation from the visit from these students and the way that the process was able to unfold after that. From my point of view, I definitely think stems from their ability to come and demonstrate what this program can do, what it can do in their lives, and I think it's made a huge difference, even right now. So it's not just all about the future, but they're changing the way that we're doing things even right now.